Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial, I am doing this yellow and pink makeup look. So if you're interested, grab your makeup stuff and let's begin. So first I am going to cover up the dark circles around my eyes and any dark spots on my face and at the sides of my mouth. For foundation, I am using this one by Maybelline. It's in the shade Golden Caramel. For concealer, I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Using this to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. Now I am applying a lighter concealer. This one is by Zaron. It's a Nigerian brand. I was about to grab the powder by Mary Kay, and that happened. And so I'm just using that powder to first set my highlight before going into my setting powder. And the one I am using is by Makeup Revolution. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. To contour my face, I am using this contour palette, Strong Soul by Makeup Revolution. And I'm using that shade there to contour my face and to add some definition to my face. And then going into that darker shade next to the first one I used, I'm going to apply this on my crease. I am just going to tap this on my crease and then blend it. This is going to be the first shade I'm going to apply on my eyelids before going into the yellow color. Guys, please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, click the notification bell, also subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Leave your suggestions. I reply to your comments and your questions. Thank you. Now to cut my crease, I am using that Lego Pro Concealer the concealer that I use to highlight my face, and I'm taking this the brush I am using is a lip brush, so it's very small and precise, so I'm using this to cut my crease. So now I am using my beauty sponge to tap off the excess concealer from my eyelids, And now going into the Morphe eyeshadow palette. Using that same powder, I am going to set the rest of my face. And now I am just going to apply some mascara on my lashes. And for lashes, I applied it off camera. The lashes I used are very natural and very simple. Now the part I have been waiting for, I am going to use this Dragon's Heart highlighter for your face and eyes to highlight my cheekbones, to highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. And I'm just going to shine through. And then for my lips, I lined it and I'm applying this pink lipstick. And I'm now going in to this L'Oreal matte lipstick. And to just set the whole makeup and make it last longer, I am just going to use the setting spray by Makeup Revolution, and that's it. This is the finished look. Yellow and pink makeup look, yellow eyes, pink lips, and it's pretty and I loved it, and it was very easy and fun to record this tutorial. Guys, if you know you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my